Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we are here with a high school assessment question number 10. We're doing high school assessment question number 10, and we're in the section of decimals, multiplication, division. Right, so let's get into it. So the problem states a ship carrying 10,250 pounds of individually boxed TV sets, right? If each box weighs 20.5 pounds, how many boxes are on the ship? Well, what we need to do here is we need to divide the total weight of all the TVs in pounds, right, which was 10,250, by the weight of each box, which is 20.5. So let's go ahead and do that. We see below we already written in the numbers. Let's get rid of that and explain a few things here. Okay. So the total weight of each box, they say, is 20.5 pounds. So we're dividing 10,250 by 20.5. However, we cannot divide by a fraction doing long division. We can do it on the calculator, but not long division. So what we need to do is we need to shift that decimal over to the right so that we have a whole number. And that's okay, because what we'll do is we'll do the same for the number that we're dividing into, right? 10,250. We're going to start here where the decimal was, and we're going to shift the decimal place one place to the right. The same number of places we shifted in the 20.5, we're going to shift it in the 10,250. And then we're going to put that decimal place here on the top of this bracket, because this is where our answer is going to go. So what that does is we have to add another zero. So this zero here, we added, okay? So it's kind of like a space filler. All right, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, the next step is we have to realize that long division is just doing 3 steps over and over again until we run out of numbers, or 3 math operations, which are, let's unblock that. Okay, we're going to do division, multiplication, and subtraction. Repeat. Division, multiplication, subtraction. We keep doing that until there are no more numbers left. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have 200. We started off with 220.5. We shifted the decimal place over one place to the right in both numbers. So now we have 205. We're going to divide into our number here, and we have to start with the first 3 digits, because our original 205 is 3 digits. We try it. We say, okay, does 205 go into 102? Right? Those are the first 3 digits, 102. No, it does not. Okay, so now we have to move on to the next digit, right? So now we're going to say, does 205 go into, and we goes into 1,025? Yes, it does. How many times? It goes in 5 times. Okay, so we did the division. Check. Now we're going to do the multiplication. That result we got 5. We're going to multiply that by the 205. So 5 times 205 equals this number here, 1,025. So we did the multiplication. Check. Now we're going to do the subtraction. We're going to subtract that result we got here, 1,025, from the original 4 digits that we started off with. And we get all zeros. So we did the subtraction. Check. Now we're going to repeat. We're going to do division. Does 205 go into 0? Because this is what we have here, right? And we're checking this, we're dividing 205. No, it does not. So we're going to put a 0 here, right? Now 0, then we're going to do, so that takes care of, let's start over again, because we're repeating. Does 205 go into 0? No, it does not, right? So we put check. And we're right here where this arrow is here. Okay. Right. So we did the division. We put 0, because didn't I go, it goes in 0 times. And we multiply 0 times 205 to get this number here. 0, 0, 0. And now we're going to bring down, we're going to check again. Does 205 go into 0, 0, 0? It does not. So we put another 0. And we bring down the next 0. Bring this down. Oh yeah, that's what all right, let's back it up a little bit. Skip the step. There's something look weird here. we bring down this 0 here as well. That's why we're in this place. When we check to see if 205 goes into this number, it did not, right? We put a 0 there, but we also brought down the next 0 to this point here, right? So we did that first. We brought down a 0, and then we saw 205 goes into 0, 0, 0. It does not. We put a 0 there, multiply by 0. We got this number, these 3 zeros here, right? 1, 2, 3. And then we saw it didn't go in, so we brought down the next 0. And we checked again. Does 205 go into 0? The answer is no. So we put this 0 here, right? Then we said 0 times 205. That gives us 0. There's nothing left to bring down, so our answer is 500. Now, if you want to check your answer, what you can do is you can take the original numbers. So we have 10,250 divided by 20.5. Put that in your calculator, and what you're going to get is 500, which is exactly the same answer that we got when we did the long division. Right here. Okay? All right, everybody. I hope that helps. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos, and I will see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.